If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this fantastic short-term trading opportunity I have here on the 5-minute binary options here. Let me go ahead and set my limit order real quick. Actually, we'll do 14. That is pretty reasonable. So we will automatically be triggered out at $14 per contract here once we reach our profit target, which is fantastic. That is well more than half of our total profit potential. And just in a moment here, I will show you exactly what I found to get into this high probability trading scenario here. $19, getting very close to our profit target. Well over $80 in profits once we reach this. I don't mind holding into expiration as well, but this contract actually just opened about a minute and 20 seconds now ago. So a fantastic short-term opportunity that I look to take advantage of here. Let me go ahead and show you, since we're seeing a little bit of a slight pullback here, let me go ahead and show you what I looked at to take advantage of this situation. So over here on the chart, as you can see, we have our support area, which is being tested again. As you can see, we had a false downward break, a false breakout to the upside. But the key things you want to remember when trading short term is long-term trend, guys. So very important. Let me show you these few things here. So first off, we have an overall upward trend that was broken, like I said, with a false breakout to the downside, right? But you can see the breakout to the upside did not hang above this support area. Previous resistance could be a support in the future. That is the risk of these short-term positions. But I'll show you what puts the edge on my side here. So first is a volume divergence. You can see the trend is going higher, but we're seeing a lot of resistance as we go. The spreads on the candles themselves are getting smaller the higher we go. And also the volume is decreasing as we increase, which means that there is not as much power behind these moves as they progress. Down here with the RSI, you see the same thing. We saw an overbought signal back here at new highs, and then we also saw a overbought signal here at new highs. We might actually be triggering our thing here soon. Here we go. Okay, so we're seeing that pushback. I want to do my best to make sure I catch it on camera for you guys so you can see it. But yes, as you can see, so we had that false breakout to the upside. The RSI is still creating a divergence to this point now, whereas you can see new highs and the RSI is still creating a divergence and the volume is still creating a divergence. And ultimately, we're having a hang up at this resistance area. So we are 80% likely to see a profit here, guys. And with our average price of $48, that puts us at about a 50-50 split. So that is where the odds are in my favor here. If you want to learn more about how to find scenarios like this using my video trading package, be sure to check out the Informed Traders Educational Package. The link is down in the description below. You know, we got a minute left. Should I just cancel? Let's see. Yeah, you know, I'll go ahead and hold this into expiration if I can cancel it in time. Oh, nope, we're about to hit it. I'll go ahead and let it hit. But yeah, so if you want to trade with us, though, I also run a Shadow Traders program where you can trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we get in trades just like this, but on the higher time frames, on the 1 and 2 hour contracts. On a weekly basis, 5 nights a week, which June has been fantastic so far as well. We also extended the trading time, so now we get a few more trades. So basically what's going on here with the trade now, guys, we got about 16 seconds left. As anticipated, our position is holding well below the resistance area, and we are looking to expire with a full profit. So our scalp profit didn't get triggered. We're getting the best of both worlds here. 2 seconds remaining, full profits. Fantastic, guys. Just under about $150 profit, just like that. in the short term. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, be sure to subscribe. I appreciate everyone for getting us past 800 subscribers. Looking to grow the shadow trading community, be sure to join. We would love to have you there, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.